If you're serious about photo editing, the monitor you choose matters just as much as the camera or software you use. In 2026, we have an amazing selection of displays with stunning color accuracy, high resolution, and features that make retouching, grading, and creative work easier and more precise. Today, we're breaking down the best photo editing monitors available so you can pick one that truly brings your visuals to life. Let's dive in. The BenQ PD2706U is a top-tier choice for serious photo editors who want professional-grade performance without overcomplicating their setup. Its 27-inch 4K panel offers crisp detail, wide color gamut coverage, and great uniformity that helps you confidently edit images with true-to-life accuracy. This monitor is factory calibrated and supports industry standards like sRGB and Adobe RGB, making it ideal for photographers, retouchers, and creative pros who need consistent color reproduction. Ergonomics matter too. With height, tilt, pivot, and swivel adjustments, you can dial in the perfect angle for long editing sessions. All of this adds up to a monitor built for accuracy, comfort, and real creative work. For links, specs, and current pricing, check the description below. The LG 27UN850W combines striking visuals with flexible connectivity and excellent color fidelity, making it a strong pick for photo editing workflows. Its 27-inch 4K IPS panel presents vibrant colors and solid contrast that help your photos pop on screen right from the start. The screen's wide color gamut and accurate factory settings make it reliable for color-critical tasks like retouching, tone mapping, and composition work. One feature that sets this model apart is USB-C with power delivery, meaning you can hook up a single cable to your laptop and get display, data, and charging all at once. That's a huge convenience boost for creators on the go or anyone who likes minimal desk clutter. Response times and refresh rates are smooth enough for general use, so video playback and UI navigation feel fluid and effortless. The adjustability also helps. With tilt, height, and pivot adjustments, you can find a comfortable posture for long edit sessions. If you want a versatile 4K monitor that's excellent for both professional photo work and everyday productivity, including content review and media playback, the LG 27UN850W is a fantastic option. Check the description below for links and current deals. The ASUS ProArt display is designed specifically for creators, and that shows in its fine-tuned color, accuracy, and professional calibration. Out of the box, this monitor hits tight Delta E accuracy numbers, meaning what you see on screen closely matches real-world color, critical when you're editing photos or delivering work to clients. Advanced color spaces like sRGB, Adobe RGB, and DCI-P3 are supported with great coverage, so your edits translate well across screens and print. The panel's 4K resolution gives you plenty of workspace for lifelike detail and precise control over every pixel. Build quality feels premium, and connectivity is extensive, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C with power delivery, and hubs for peripherals. If you're working with large files or multi-app layouts, this monitor handles the load without clipping details or introducing distortion. Ergonomically, it's built for comfort during long editing sessions, with height, tilt, pivot, and swivel adjustments, plus a sturdy stand that won't wobble. If you want a professional creator display that prioritizes accuracy, reliability, and industry-ready color reproduction, the ASUS ProArt display is one of the best tools in your kit. Links to specs and pricing are in the description below. The BenQ MA320U brings a larger canvas to your editing setup with a 32-inch 4K display that offers space and clarity for serious photo work. The bigger screen helps you see fine details without zooming in constantly, which is especially helpful when working on large files or multi-window layouts. Its color performance is strong with wide gamut support and factory calibration that ensures reliable color accuracy for Adobe RGB and sRGB workflows. Aside from its size, this monitor shines in how it handles gradients, shadows, and highlights, things that matter deeply when you're adjusting tones, doing color grading, or preparing images for print or web. Built-in features like picture-by-picture and dedicated creative modes help you compare edits, reference multiple views, or switch color presets quickly. Connectivity includes HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C power delivery, making it easy to plug in laptops and creative workstations alike. The ergonomic stand lets you find just the right angle for comfortable long-hour editing sessions, and the larger panel means you can keep palettes, thumbnails, and tools visible without overlapping your workspace. If you want both size and accuracy for professional-grade visual workflows, the BenQ MA320U is a compelling choice. Check the description below for links, specs, and current pricing. The ASUS ProArt series monitor stands out as a creator-centric option that blends professional-grade color accuracy with features tailored to photographers and visual artists. It comes with factory calibration and wide coverage of color standards like Adobe RGB, DCI-P3, and sRGB, making it a reliable choice when your edits need to be consistent across screens or print mediums. Whether you're retouching portraits or prepping visuals for portfolios, this monitor ensures what you see is what you get. Its panel tech offers crisp visuals, excellent uniformity, and smooth gradients, all critical for identifying subtle tonal transitions in your photos. Connectivity includes USB-C with power delivery, HDMI, and DisplayPort, along with USB hubs that let you connect accessories and storage drives directly to your monitor. This simplifies workflows and reduces desk clutter. Professional editors will also appreciate features like customizable hotkeys, on-screen scaling presets, and multi-reference layouts that make comparing edits and proofs easier. The ergonomic stand supports tilt, height, pivot, and swivel adjustments, so long editing sessions stay comfortable without awkward neck or eye strain. If you want precision, powerful creator features, and intuitive workflow tools in one serious photo editing monitor, this ASUS ProArt is a standout pick. Links and pricing are in the description below. And that's our roundup of the best monitors for photo editing in 2026. Whether you want color-critical precision, a bigger workspace, creator-focused tools, or sleek connectivity, there's a monitor here for your workflow and setup. Be sure to check the description below for links, full specs, and the latest pricing on each display featured. If this helped you choose, hit the like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment telling me which monitor you're planning to pick up. See you in the next video.